Hey, what's up guys? Jimmy here, making it work. I got a couple of new tools, and I made a video showing the tools when I first got them, opening the packaging and stuff. But in the chaos with selling my Epic 84 and going into a different toolbox, I got quite a mess going on. All waxed up and ready to go. You see all the drawers are empty. Plus, I also somehow lost that video, so I'm just going to show you guys real quick what I got last week. That's what this video is going to be about. Quick little tool haul. Well, I recorded a tool haul video for you guys about this and some suspension arm leverage S-hooks I got. Picked up these hooks on Amazon for pulling the suspension arm down when you're going to do an axle or something like that. Disconnect to get the axle out. You put this on the A-arm and you put your pry bar through here. I got two of them, so I figure I can hook two of them on an A-arm, maybe from opposite sides, and get my pry bar through these loops so they won't slip off. The other thing I got was the VIM UJET 400. Basically universal E-sockets. So a pretty cool little socket set he had on the gear wrench truck. VIM tools are pretty good. E16 up to or down to, I should say, E4. Pretty dang tiny. I doubt I'll ever need something like that, but it's one of those tools. It wasn't too expensive. I think the set was $65 or $68 for the set. I can only imagine what it would be on the Snap-on truck, but it's not a Snap-on versus VIM battle. It's just how often are you going to use it versus what it costs. So this will sit in my box quite a while, and when I need one, what I've been doing is I've been taking my little universals. I take these two 1/4-inch universals and put my little 1/4-inch socket E-sockets on when I need it. But I figure it'll be pretty convenient. I figure it'll be pretty convenient to have it as a one piece, not only because you can get into a tighter little spot, but just less hassle. So I'll have to wait till I get my new box. Check it out. Not only did my wife make me this sweet Making It Work t-shirt, got a Making It Work mug. My wife's all right. Shout out to my wife, Marianne. Maybe this sweet Making It Work mug. You guys see that, don't you? Can you see it over here? You can see it, right? See it over here? I want to make sure you guys got the full effect. Making it work. I'm gonna do like a Kyle Busch rowdy drink promotion for my wife. Really proud of her for making this cool stuff. Gotta get these subs up. Go ahead and like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.